What's good, everybody? My name is Jay Fatty. Welcome back to another video. Today we're talking about some more VSTs and we're going to talk about Drumaxx, okay? Now this is a paid plugin inside FL Studio. If you have the all plugins edition, you can get this. There's an alternative version that's in the other versions called Drumpad. That's not as advanced as this, but it's kind of similar. So that is the other option that you can use if you don't have the all plugins. But this is just a souped up FPC is really what it is. You have 8 pads here and you can choose what you want on these pads. You can put in your own sounds. You have different kits up here. If you go to presets, you can choose different kits and there's some good sounds in here. But the whole difference between this and FPC is it's got a lot more percussion settings. So you can make stuff sound really crazy. Like you have the mallet setting, membrane, low, SOF, middle, high, velocity, and then you also have, you can make patterns. You can have up to 16 patterns and then play them. You change the patterns by moving this. Now you can click this button right here to go to different pattern presets. So if we go to hip hop, let's just click old school 7 and hit open. And then if you see here, it says trigger key C5. So now if we hit C5, you also have an equalizer down here that you have to make sure it's clicked for it to actually be working, but you can be messing with that. You have a limiter as well. But I want to talk more about these patterns. Don't be sleeping on this because you can have one key trigger one pattern and then you can go over to the next pattern, C2, and have this triggered by different key. Have this triggered by, let's see, we could do C#5. Or actually, let's make this D5. So when we play C5, and then when we play D5, nothing happens. We can make sure we're on pattern 2, click this, and then choose a preset. So you see, you can do some really cool stuff with it. Mess with this, mess with the settings here, all of these, the mallet, membrane, and so on. That'll change the sound of your drums. You can get some really cool percussion loops and drum loops using this, so do not sleep on it. If this video brought you value, please leave a like, hit subscribe, and hit the little bell. Make sure you stay safe, stay striving, and always be getting it. Much love, y'all. Peace.